let's let the river flow. To quote Ryan LaBarnway,
Why not me? Why not more? Yeah, baby.
all right, come on, gravity, do your thing. Here we go. Here we go. This one here I call the Calabria Cut. Kind of like the Panama Canal. There we go. It'll be ready, fellas. It'll be ready.
This one I call Santa Barbara. I do it for you, buddy. Come all the way down from Santa Barbara. We're gonna have third base cleared out for you. You'll be making plays like never before. Santa Barbara, baby.
Fellas, if I wasn't so exhausted, I could think of something funny to say. But this is no joke. We'll get this puddle ready for Saturday. And that's all there is to it. You guys visit me in the hospital after I have all the whatever it is that they do in the hospital for old men that are exhausted. You guys take care. Saturday softball all the way. Go all the way.
Saturday softball.
Okay, the field will be ready. Everything looks good. There's Dave Gutkin's pitching mound. Buddy Gottlieb's third base. Tony Foreman's shortstop. We got Alan Juckowitz over there at second. And look at that mess at first. Simmons is going to have to work hard. But the good news for you, Alan Sarver, outfield hasn't looked better. It looks gorgeous. It's going to be as pretty as Dodger Stadium on opening day for the rodeo. Anyway, have a good one. We'll talk to you later. Saturday softball. Here we go.